Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can register your SanDisk Pen Drive for warranty. So first of all, go to the shop.sandisk.com. This is the SanDisk official website. Then select your region and click continue. After that, what you'll need to do is go to the support and click on product registration. And after that, you'll get this website. So right here, select the brand, so it will be SanDisk. Put the serial number. If you don't see that, click on help button and basically use the arrows to find the similar device, and you will basically see where the numbers are, as you can see like that. So put the serial number, put first name, last name, email, country or region, purchase date, and proof of purchase. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you don't have valid receipt, you can take a photo of your product from the front and back and upload it right here. And then you'll need to check this box and submit. So that's it. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.